Hi everyone, my name is Jagakar. I am a student of Kyarmangla Board School, Gurgaon, and I am here to talk about the negative feelings and the fear that we all must be facing during this pandemic because these are tough times and how we can get through these tough times. So, as the coronavirus pandemic is sweeping rapidly across the world, it is inducing a considerable degree of fear, concern, and worry in the population at large, and in particular among certain groups, which include older adults, caregivers, and people with disabilities. So, the main psychological impact to date is the elevated level of stress or anxiety, but because of the quarantine and the rising cases all around us, levels of loneliness, depression, alcohol or substance abuse, and societal cases, self harm have also seen a rise and are expected to rise in the future as well. So, during a pandemic or an epidemic, it is common for people to feel anxious, fearful, stressed, or worried, and this is very common. So the common feelings that people have projected during this period of time include fear of falling ill or dying, avoiding approaching health facilities so that they do not fall ill while in care, fear of losing livelihoods or being dismissed from work, which is quite common in the rural areas, in the labor class of the rural areas, and the working class in the urban areas who are used to the 9 to 5 jobs, fear of being socially excluded or placed in quarantine because of being associated with the disease. This includes racism against the people who live in or nearby the areas which have been infected. The constant fear, worry, uncertainties, and stresses in the population during the COVID-19 pandemic has led to an increase in the emotional state, a high level of emotional state, an increase in the aggression and anger that we might feel against the government and or against the family members in case of disputes. It has also led to possible relapses in cases of substance abuse or alcohol abuse, and it has also led to increase in the feeling of depression, loneliness, and anxiety because especially in extroverts. All of this is mainly because of the misinformation that has been fed to us and the rumors and the lack of knowledge. I'd like to end with a positive note where I would like to suggest some measures that all of us can take so that we instill a feeling of happiness and hope in within us. So what we can do is we can still maintain contact with our friends because, as I said, it is a digital world. We almost all of us have internet every minute of the day. So we can still maintain contact with our friends through video chats or through voice calls or through normal calls. Then we can do some productive stuff like we can try some relaxation techniques like deep breathing, we can do some yoga, we can do some meditation, we can try some cognitive techniques like acquiring a new skill or solving puzzles, or as I've seen on Instagram, most of us have started cooking, so that's another good thing. We can improve our hobbies. There have been so many opportunities, including dance classes, online music classes, webinars, internships. I'm sure all of us need internships for our CVs, and we can spend more time with our families, and we can play cards with them. We can try reading a book. Reading a book personally for me is another escape from all the negativity out there in the world, and we can just have a great time with us, with our family members, and not feel so uh, affected by the environment around us because we have to be strong through these tough times.